Hello guys, it's Paul Techie here. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button to get more of my videos. So in this video, I want to look at how to write a complete profile on Upwork. So remember, your Upwork profile is a platform for you and it gives you an opportunity to showcase your freelance business to a potential client. So remember that if you have a complete 100% profile in Upwork, it gives you a chances of getting a Rising Talent badge, a top rated or a top rated plus. So with these badges, it helps you whenever you send proposal to clients. When they go through the proposals, they prefer working with experts and it will feature you as an expert in your field. So if you want to grow your business, your freelance business in Upwork, I really urge you to look at coming up with a complete Upwork profile. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we are on Upwork's homepage. So right here you can find this two sidebars. So the sidebar on the right, so you can find your account completion rate or your profile completion rate at this point. So you can see mine is 100% complete. So I'm just going to get you through on how to get the same for your case so that you can have a complete profile. So Upwork has been given us guidelines on how to get your profile to 100% completion. So you can see these are the requirements and the guidelines. So to have your profile to 60%, you need to have a profile photo. I really recommend you to get a very professional photo, as it's the first thing the client looks. So you should have a professional photo and a photo that is quite friendly, because clients want to relate with someone very friendly. Then another thing, you need a profile title. So the profile title, you can just go to my profile. So this is my profile. So you have the image over there. So you should have something professional, or you can have someone do it for you professional manner. Then you should have a title, and for the title you can include maybe the niche or the skills that you are going to offer to the client. So you'll find it will be even ranking your profile higher when it comes to the Upwork SEOs. So let's look at another thing that is needed to take our profile to the 60% value. So another thing that is needed is the profile overview. So this is the profile overview. So this here is the profile overview. So right here you state, you can write something about yourself, maybe your years of experience. Then you can write something on what you are going to offer and also what your skills are, and maybe the technologies, if you are a programmer, the technologies that you are dealing with. Then you can give something that will make someone to hire you. Then you can state like why you should refer me to your projects. You can state some of the reasons. Then down here you can always let the clients know that you are available and ready for a new project, and you can always start an interview together. So this will increases your chances of being invited to interviews when you ask for invitation on your profile overview. So once you've done that, there is employment history. You should include your employment history. So the employment history, so as you can see, I have my employment history included right here. So this is also going to add value so that we can reach the 60% mark. Then another thing you need at least one skill tag. So you need to add at least one skill tag. So the tags are right here. So you will need to include at least one skill tag. For me, I've listed like more than 10 of them here, because the more you list them, the higher your rankings and your chances of being invited or matching the client's need. So once you've done all of this, so there are 5 of them, so once you've included all of this, then you should get a 60% value on your profile. Then we have the optional 40 to make it 100. So the optional 40 comes from the portfolio, so you need to include your portfolio. So you can see right here they are stating 5% each, so meaning maximum we can get is 20%, meaning to get the 20% you need to add at least 4 portfolio items. So you can look at my profile. For me, I've added 7, so I've exceeded the 4, but only 4 will add up to my percentage value increment. For everyone, I'll be getting 5%, so meaning I'll get 20% increment, meaning if I was at 60%, then now I'm already at 80, so I only need 20 more. So just by adding an employment history, let's say like 2, it should take me to 100, because once I've got the 20 from the portfolio item, then I add 2 employment history, then I'll get the other 20% remaining to make my profile to 100%. So there are also others included here. You can add your education, the same. If you add 2 of your education history, you can get a maximum of 20%. Then adding a profile video, I really insist on this. It will add you 10%, but I can say try to be unique. Most of the freelancers don't have the profile video, but I guess it's something that it will put the trust and some relationship of you with the client. So if a client looks at your profile, when they see your profile video, they see the person that they want to hire. Let's say if you have a profile video that is very friendly, that is indicating what the clients need from you, so it's like before an interview you are already having a conversation with the client. So client will be like, you are not that new, as opposed to those who don't have a profile video, because already it's like they've already met you. So the profile video is an added advantage. I really recommend you to add a profile video. You can see mine, I've included a profile video right there. Another thing, you can link accounts, you can add certification, you can add other experiences. So all these will add you to go to the maximum of 100%. So you just look what is there, what you have, then you can include what meets you or what you have to meet the 100%. So once you've done that, you should be able now to have 100% profile. Having 100% profile makes you suitable to be given badges in Upwork, because we have badges like we have Rising Talent, we have Top Rated, and we also have the Top Rated Plus. So those badges are going to show to the clients that you are capable of doing the work, as you are an expert in those fields. So having a complete profile is going to make you a candidate of those badges, and it's also going to show the client that you are very good at what you are doing. So I like you to focus much on improving your profile, as this is like your curriculum vitae or your CV when it comes to Upwork. So I hope you've learned the basic needs and the guidelines that are required to come up with a complete profile. Hi guys, I hope you loved the video. So I hope that this is going to help you to come up with a complete Upwork profile. and let me know in the comment section below if you love the video and also the videos that you recommend me to make in the future. So thank you, see you.